Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm gonna do a live arbitrage based on our tools right here. So right here, you can see that I'm scanning, and these crypto arbitrage opportunities are found on Bitgate. All right. So as you all know, that our tool will let you scan multiple crypto exchanges and all that good stuff. I mean, our tool is different from all other tools that you have seen on internet. Okay. This one, the good thing is that this one will give you profitable arbitrage opportunities, triangular profitable arbitrage opportunities, as well as it will let you scan multiple crypto exchanges. All right. So right now I'm scanning arbitrage opportunities on Bitgate right now, and for sure I'm gonna find one and I'm gonna do a live triangular crypto arbitrage video. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, live triangular crypto arbitrage videos and stuff like that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, because it motivates me to come out here and give you good stuff. All right. So you can see that right now this tool is still scanning. I mean, our tool can be similar to other tools on internet, but the difference is this tool, it gives profitable signals, and it's really profitable and is better than all other tools on internet. That's why I recommend each and everyone to use this tool and to give it a try. It doesn't matter how much capital you have, you can use this tool with a capital of minimum at least $50. All right, and you're gonna make a reasonable profit. So I mean, doesn't take much time. I mean, doesn't take too much time to scan. For sure it's gonna finish just now.
A few moments later.
Alright, so right here you can see that it's done scanning, and these are arbitrage opportunities that he has found on Bitgate, right? So I have ADA, ETH, I have USDT, CPU, and all other bunch of pairs, right? But then right now, if you ask me to choose a pair right now, I would say I would take ADA and ETH, or I would take BTC, FIL, and USDT, and it says I'm gonna buy at this price right here and then sell to USDT and make profit. So right here it says I should buy some BTC right here and then swap it to FIL and then sell this FIL to USDT, and I'm gonna make a profit of 10% right here. Okay, so I already have Bitgate right here, and all I have to do is to go ahead with written markets. I mean, like, this is my new I created this new account on Bitgate, so because I saw some arbitrary opportunities, that's why I want to give it a try. And I'm not gonna put large amounts on this one. I just want to test and see where this is gonna take us. All right, so right now I'm gonna trade with only like $10. All right, and tomorrow I'm gonna put large amounts, like let's say $500 and or $1,000. All right, I'm putting this amount because I want to answer a lot of people's questions, because they've been asking me how much should I have to start these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So your answer is the minimum should be at least $10 to start taking advantage of these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So if you have $10, then you're good to go. And right now let's go ahead and trade. All right, so I'm gonna follow this signal right here. It says buy some BTC and then swap it to FIL and sell this FIL to USDT. Okay, and I'm gonna do exactly what it says right now, because I trust this heavy crypto scanner, and the link to this heavy crypto scanner is gonna be in the description below. And I believe that this is actually one of the best scanner on internet right now, other than all these other scanners screaming and that don't really work. So right now let's go ahead and try it out, and I'm gonna go ahead to where it's written buy crypto, where it's written trade markets. Okay, do you have spot trading right here? All right, here it is. So right there, you can see that right here I have some USDT. I should have some, at least I have 10 USDT right here, and this is what I'm going to use. All right, so it says that I should buy some BTC first. So you can see that Bitcoin is pumping. Here was the lowest right here at 23,600. My long position is still open. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about my $300,000 long position in this video, because I just want to show you guys how it works and stuff like that. So right here you can see that I have 10 USD right here. Okay, and I'm gonna spend all of it 100% right here, and you can see the amount that I'm gonna get right there. I'm gonna get 0.004 BTC. Okay, and I'm gonna click buy like this. Okay, this is a limit order, by the way, so let me check the price that I'm buying at. So you can see the price right here. Let me just put buy one like this, which is 796. Okay, and it's 100%, and click confirm. Boom, now you can see that our order just got executed and all that good stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna have to swap this BTC that I just bought to FIL, alright, just as written right here. Okay, because I'm following this signal right here. And by the way, these signals take at least 10 to 15 minutes, so we are good right now. Don't panic and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead to where it's written BTC. Okay, we're looking at BTC pair right here. Now let's go ahead and look for fill, and you can see that right here, fill FIL to BTC has dropped at least 2.83%. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it like this, and here it is, right? So all I have to do right now is to click all available balance that I have on my wallet right now to buy this. Okay, so again, I'm gonna spend the whole total amount of my BTC, because I'm gonna get like this, and we saw that I'm gonna get at least 6.7 somewhere there, 6.76 worth of fill. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click buy like this. Okay, so this is the market. So this is a market order, as you can see right here, and this is the whole amount of BTC that I'm gonna spend, almost 0.00500 BTC, right? Something like that. Right here you can see that I got 1.67 worth of fill. So right now I'm gonna have to sell this FIL to USDT to complete our step, right? Because it says buy BTC, then buy FIL using BTC right here. Okay, and then our final step is to sell this FIL to USDT. So this is what I'm going to do right now, because of this 1.676 worth of FIL. Now I'm gonna go ahead to a search bar like this and search FIL like this. Okay, and you can see we only have BTC because I take BTC right here. I have to go to USDT, and right here it is. Okay, and if I click right there, you can see that here's my amount, and I'm gonna have to sell this FIL to USDT. Okay, so if I click 100% right here, you can see that I'm gonna get at least $12. So this is a profit that we made, right? We made like $2 on this triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity. So just exactly what it says right here, it says 10%, exactly as what it says right here. Okay, so with $10, we're making at least a profit of $2. All right, and this is crazy, guys, because like, if you think about it, if you put $100, you'll make at least $20, right? So I think somewhere there. If you put 500, you'll make at least, I don't know, maybe $50, or I don't know, maybe $100. I'm not good at math, but this is exactly what is happening right here. So right now I'm gonna have to sell this this fill and then make a profit of $2 right now. So I hope I've answered almost each and everyone's question based on live triangular crypto arbitrage and everything that you pretty want to know, right? And if you want to get this scanner, is available on Heavy Crypto Indicator. Is available on Heavy Crypto Academy, as well as on our Telegram group, and the link is going to be in the description below if you want to get this scanner right here. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this process, because that's what you all want to see, right? So I'm going to have to sell this fill 100% to USD. Okay, so if I click 100% right here, you can see that we're going to get at least 12 USD, making $2 profit. So I think I have to use a market order right now, because you can see that fill is decreasing right there. So let's use market order. Okay, so if I click market order right there, all I have to do is to click this button 100%. So now all I have to do is to click confirm. As you can see right here, this is a trading volume that I'm going to sell, right? And we're making a profit of $2. Now you can see my balance right here has increased by $2. Now I have 12 USD right here. We made a profit of $2 simply by doing this. Okay, so we bought Bitcoin with 10 USD and then we swap it to fill, and I was using a market order. You all remember, you all saw what happened in this video. Now after swapping it, and then I sold it back to USDT, and I've made a profit of 2 USD. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna try to put like $100, and you're gonna see how much we're gonna make with a capital of $100. Okay, so in this video I was only using 10 USD and I've made a profit of 2 USD, and using our tool right here, Heavy Crypto Scanner. And this tool is available on Heavy Crypto Academy as well as on our Telegram group, and the link to this tool is going to be in the description below as well. So this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how exactly you can make money using Heavy Crypto Scanner. This was a triangular crypto arbitrage that I took and all that good stuff, because a lot of you guys have been requesting about this triangular crypto arbitrage scanner. And guys, I only have one Telegram group, and here it is right here. Okay, do not join any Telegram group written Heavy Crypto on Telegram. And if you want to join my official Telegram group, please use the link in the description below, because that's our official link for our Telegram group. Alright, so this is my Telegram group, and if you go ahead and click this button right here, you can see pretty much everything that I've done on this channel. And here are all the tools, my courses, my live webinars. If you want to book me one-on-one mentorship right here, if you want to get Heavy Crypto Indicator right here, and all that good stuff. If you want to get Heavy Crypto Scanner right here, pretty much everything. Here are the boss template, and if you don't know this video, make sure you watch it. I'll leave a link in the description below as well. So this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to answer your questions and stuff like that based on our tools. So therefore, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace, my friends.